How to create a CRA account online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So a lot of you guys were asking this question. So in today's video we're gonna find out how we can create a CRA account online. So without further ado, let's get started. So start by opening your preferred browser and search for CRA account signup. And from the result, simply select the first search. And this will take you to the homepage similar to this one. And to get started, you can simply scroll down and tap on register for a CRA account. Now, here is an important note. You can't create a CRA account entirely from scratch. The CRA Canada Revenue Agency provides accounts to individuals or businesses that are already registered, such as those who have filed tax returns before. And here's how it works. You can register for a CRA My account using your social insurance number, date of birth, and details from your previously filed tax return. And this registration process will grant you access to your tax information and allow you to file future returns electronically. And if you are new to the Canada and haven't filed a return yet, you will need to file one first before you can register for a CRA account. With this, I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.